G'day cocktail lovers. This cocktail is called the Ken Burns effect, and to me the ingredients harken back like to the 1800s with the improved whiskey cocktail. It's not exactly that, but it gives me that vibe, and taste wise, lovely, rich, boozy flavours, nicely balanced. If you've never heard of the Ken Burns effect, it's a film and video technique that's named after the person who popularised it, the documentarian Ken Burns. It's essentially tracking, panning, zooming on still images to create a feeling of movement when there's no actual movement there. This was used in his Civil War documentary because of course there were only still images of the Civil War, and it's to stop it just being a series of stills. He used camera movement across still images to breathe a bit of life and to give focus to different parts of the image. You might use the effect to draw attention to the ingredients of this cocktail, like rye whiskey, maraschino, and sherry, along with Angostura bitters. If you only had still images of someone making the cocktail, you could use the Ken Burns effect to track along and show they're pouring 2 ounces of rye whiskey into a mixing glass, then half an ounce of sherry, and following that with half an ounce of maraschino liqueur. The final touch is to add 1 dash of Angostura bitters. The Ken Burns effect is great at creating a mood with still images, and honestly, the Ken Burns effect cocktail, great for setting a mood and kicking back and having a drink. Cheers.